Hello everyone! Our Luby team recently attended Developer Week in San Francisco Bay. After answering some questions during the event, we summarized the most common ones in this video. So today, I'm going to address a common challenge in technology project development: building the optimal team. In this process, we always come across one fact, which is the US shortage of these professionals. That's why a good tip for those of you looking to find these professionals is the software development outsourcing model. Outsourcing software development allows companies to quickly access a team of experts, often with specific skills and experience in various technologies. This is especially beneficial for projects that require advanced technical knowledge at various stages. With software development outsourcing, you can build your team according to the current needs of each project phase, always relying on highly skilled professionals trained in each development phase. Here are the most common models companies can work with. In the case of Luby, for example, in addition to our more than 20 years of experience in the market, we have high standards for the selection of these professionals and provide continuous training. This helps us ensure access to the best technology professionals worldwide. To learn more about our professionals, contact one of our experts.